Peter and Sons, Glassboro, Delsea Drive, Glassboro. I'm trying this new thing where I'm doing a lot more video, and yeah, so the sign selfie is in the video to follow. Somebody put a cheesesteak in my soft pretzel. Who put a cheesesteak in my soft pretzel? Peter's and Son. Peter and Sons. Really, Peter's sons and his wife Tina did it because he's out working his regular job. But what a great concoction. Who knew Peter's younger day cravings would turn out to be such a phenomenal treat for the rest of us? Um, I'll save the description for the videos. Great place, love this place. Tina's a fabulous hostess. You feel like you're in her kitchen. The cheesesteak was awesome. It's so good I had to try the Roadhouse fries. She was nice enough to put the hot sauce on the side for me. Peter and Sons, add it to your cheesesteak bucket list.
Peter and Sons, Glassboro. Saw they did a cheesesteak on a pretzel. I hope that's a normal thing. Here's another funny, it's another place that I used to always go up and down 322 going to the shore. Let's go inside. Pretzel cheesesteak. Let's hope they have them. Peter and Son with Tina. Tina's used to make lunch for her husband, and now it's become a Glassboro sensation. Really, my hair looks good today, so I wanted to get a selfie. The pretzel cheesesteak. Video to follow. Hi, Tina.
Guys.
Pretzel cheesesteak. I am really surprised how much of a difference the salt on the pretzel makes. Salt really brings out different flavors. Really changes everything, I think. It took me a couple bites to get used to the salt, but it really makes the flavor of everything else burst. Or it makes you more realize everything else. You just gotta think about what you're eating. Pretty freaking cool. I like my pretzel cheesesteak. Instead of a pretzel roll, put a pretzel.